Hi kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super fun and colorful. A cute little house with a rainbow roof, a flower, and a happy sun in the sky. Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our black marker and get started. Draw a big triangle at the top of the page. This will be the roof of our house. Now draw a rectangle under the roof for the main part of the house. Draw a tall rectangle in the middle of the house for door. Let's draw 2 windows, one on each side of the door. Small squares with a line in the middle make them look like windows. Now, let's add a tiny flower beside the house. Draw a little flower shape, then add a stem with 2 small leaves. Now, draw a circle in the sky and add rays around it. Don't forget to give the sun 2 cute eyes and a happy smile. Let's decorate the roof now. Draw some wavy lines inside the triangle, just like rainbow layers. Nice job, everyone! Our house drawing is complete. Let's now make the outlines bold and sharp so our artwork pops. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to bring our drawing to life with colors. Let's use rainbow colors today. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. So bright.
Wow!
So beautiful. You all are amazing little artists. If you had fun drawing and coloring with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos every week.
Yay!
Bye-bye, kids. Keep creating and keep smiling. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.